Doesn't want to do my check. Doesn't want to do my check. Doesn't levels are good. Those are good. What kind of connect you got? Savage Gaming is going to the wrong channel. Where is this thing going? Hey. Bro, what I said, bro, was the market extended or what, bro? All the receipts are there, man. All the receipts are there, man. I said the market is extended to the upside like a mug, bro. And we are gonna come down and gap fill, bro. And wouldn't you know, isn't that what we're actually doing right now? We're actually filling the gap to the downside right now. Right now, just look through the way. But I know how to show the background on this presentation. I don't have a presentation. Presentation. Damn, bro. I want to put my background on the hood. Camera settings, banner, design, ads, screen settings. Damn. How do I get something back from it, bro? No. Damn, bro. That's the problem. I mean, like a dude. Hey, that shit's going off like a fizz though, boy. Hey, we got films to the downside. It's hard right now. Now, really quick, boy. Hey, right at 350, we either finna get a strong move down or a strong move up, bro. Right at 350, bro. I'm telling you. Let me get to the 1 minute. Let me go to the spot real quick, alright? And I wish I could show you the background, the actual chart. Watch this shit. Watch the price action right at 350, dog. I'm telling you. Dog, we either gonna get a strong ass move down or up. Now, if we weren't so overbought, I would say definitely it's it would be up. But since we're overbought, we might continue to flush. You feel me? I'm gonna go ahead and say we might get the strong move. Either way, we're getting a crazy ass move, dude. But if we're just gonna base it off of today, I'm gonna say we're gonna get the move up. And I'll be looking at those 681s on the SPY right now. You feel me? And on the Qs, I'll be looking at the 627s, the calls. I know it's contrarian, but just hear me out. Obviously, they're not going to be zero DTEs. But let's see what happens. The Qs are coming down. The chest is looks like it's going to be a double bottom, but they haven't got down there yet. Right there, the double bottom level is on 2644. Haven't got there yet. And then on the spot, I mean, numbers is out of control, bro. The spot flushed past it. I just want to see. Let's see what happens here, man. Let's see what happens on the 10 of 10. We're about to get a crazy move. I think just based off the price action today, I'm gonna say we might get it up for a second. But you also gotta look left, bro. Look left and notice that we're in the middle of a big ass gap right now, bro. Look left. Go to like your 20-minute. We're in the middle of a huge fucking gap, bro. And bro, go back and look at all my posts, bro. I've been saying this was gonna happen, dog. I'm telling you, bro. I promise you, I've been saying the market is extended to the upside, bro. It's extended. I've never seen it this. I've never seen the market this bullish ever, ever. And that's how I knew it was gonna flush. Look, here it is. Look, look. See the SPY starting to bounce? It might get a pop. Try them out, dog. 627 calls on the spot on the Qs. Look, look, you're missing them. We already popped past 627. I'll tell you, bro. And it's gonna be the 681s on the SPY. Just grab them real quick. Go out till tomorrow. Or go out till Friday. I'm telling you, bro. I already took like 3 trades today, bro. I'm good. I don't. Yeah, that's one of my rules. Like I don't give money back. You feel me? And the only way to prevent that is if you have 3 or 4 green trades in a row, you don't keep trading. You feel me? You get out. Look at the SPY. I say get the 681s on the SPY, and I say get the 627s on the Qs. Look, you would have grabbed them. Look, they would have been in the money already. And look, there's 10 seconds left. 10 seconds left. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see what happens here. Shit about to go ham. Look at that. Look at the Qs. Look at the Qs. Told you to grab the 627s, dog, for the quick scalp. You feel me? All you had to do is have a bracket order, bro. Right there, bro. With like 5 contracts. As soon as we pop, right when I got on and said grab them, we're finna get a crazy move to the upside. Right at 350, bro. I'm telling you, I've been watching it for years, bro. Like, dog, you can build the whole strategy around that shit, bro. Look, we popped. We got the move, especially on the Qs. So look at the Qs right now. Look at the Qs right now. I'll say grab the 627s. We're down at 626.60s. Look, we popped all the way up to 627.90. Bro, I'm telling you, I know what the fuck I'm talking about, bro. I ain't just start doing this shit, bro. You feel me? The only thing is, I ain't been live streaming every day like I used to because I'm actually taking my time. I'm getting all my ducks in a row. You feel me? So when I crank up again, I don't have to worry about nothing getting in my way and stopping me, bro. Look, dog, I've been getting on and giving y'all so much fucking game, bro. Go back and look at all my posts on Facebook, bro. I'm talking about everything that I said that was gonna happen, happened. I'm telling you, bro. Go back and look. Go back and look at my posts on Facebook, bro. I was even like, yo, such and such. Even yesterday, I was like, hey, the market's extended, and I took profits. But I feel like we have more room to the downside, and then we got that flush and we gap filled. Go look at it. And go look me up on Facebook, bro. All that shit there. I don't know if you could have caught that move right there. You feel me? And look, we went from 626.50 all the way to 627.90, and we still going up. Ah, give me on the game, bro. Like, look, all you had to do, and I said, go out till at least tomorrow. So they wouldn't have been that much. You grab like 2 or 3 of them or 5 of them. You feel me? You'd have closed them out already. You'd have been out that trade just that quick. Look, I got on in 10 minutes. And I don't know, man. I just be trying to help out, bro. You feel me? Like, I've been done. Like, I was done trading, like, you know, probably the first 45 minutes of the day. You feel me? And I'm doing a whole bunch of other shit at the same time. You feel me? So, yeah. Tell me that ain't work, bro. Go back and look at the Qs and tell me if it worked or not. You feel me? Go back and look at that shit, bro. Yeah, now we're coming back down, but you can tell, you just know because look, if you look at the price action from today, bro, we're clearly oversold. Look at that, oversold. You feel me? We came down to 626.44 and bounced double bottom. Oh, that move was crazy, right? I'm telling you. That's what I be talking about when I be saying that 10 minutes of terror, bro. Like, most of the time it's to the downside, but every now and then you get it to the upside. Go back and look at the charts, bro. Go back and look at my post. Mm-hmm. Well, yeah, I don't even know. This shit going to the wrong channel anyways. So, I wish there was a way I could show you the chart. Look at this shit. I wonder if you can see this. You see that move right there? Look, and we still look the Q's acting like they still want to. Oh, it just went down. But we got the move that I was talking about. Fuck, I wonder if you can see the screen or not, dog. I wish you could. I'm gonna figure out a way to fix that. Honestly, I can't fix it until I put my computer and shit back together. I called it, bro. And if you go back and look, at my post, bro. I called all this shit out, bro. I don't know. I mean, it just comes from reading price action and shit that's obvious. I guess it seems kind of obvious to me, but it's only because I've been watching. I've been putting in the screen time for a couple of years now. You know? Yeah, right there, just off that quick. And remember, I've been saying this. If you go back and watch some of my old streams, I've been saying you can build a strategy just around this because right at 350, I think that's when all the institutional traders and hedge funds and shit put in their orders. They slide them in, and like they be dropping so much big shit that shit just be moving the market all kind of ways, bro. And I mean, it's either gonna go up or down, and the way you figure out which way it's going is by the price action of the day. So if we were bearish all day, more than likely you're gonna get the inverse 10 minutes to the upside. If we're ripping all day, more than likely you're gonna get the real 10 to 10, which is to the downside. Look at that. Come on, you couldn't have made you telling me you couldn't have made that work right there? Right down here? See, it's a thing though. You can't be greedy. Like that's why you gotta have your bracket order on or OCO order. So as soon as we popped up there like that, you feel me? That shit would have hit your price target. You would have been automatically out. You feel me? But the longer term trend seems to still be intact, which is down, my guy. Like yo, I call that shit, bro. I don't know who the fuck. I mean, to tell you the truth, I ain't been watching no YouTube streamers and shit. Cause half of them be fake anyways, bro. You know what I'm saying? They be faking the funk, bro. You feel me? If they selling something, nigga, they faking that shit, bro. Let me see the rules, bro. If you got any courses to sell or anything, you know, it's something different if they got a Discord and they got a community or whatever. That's different. Motherfucker selling you like a course on how to trade, no, dog. That's not how you learn, bro. The only way you gonna learn That's by putting in the screen time, bro. Screen time equals screen time. You feel me? Yeah, dog, I call that shit, right? Man, I'm something like a prophet. I'm here to make you the fucking prophet. I don't know why these haters always try to stop it. They need to fucking stop it. But yeah, hopefully, man, you guys are able to take advantage of this range on the market today, man. Because I mean, that shit was awesome, bro. Look at it. Yeah, the market sold off. I mean, your long term, like, you're looking a little weak, but that's why you either hedge or you do a little intraday trading. You feel me? So that way, when the market is selling off like this, you can catch a piece of that. You feel me? Like I did. And even then, I mean, I uploaded a couple videos and shit. Like but the thing about me is I be going into so much detail on my shit that my videos be too long, bro. And it's hard to chop them up. You know what I'm saying? So like, I got shit that's in the archives that never got uploaded. It's because I don't be having time to edit all that shit. But who's been saying, bro? Who's been saying the market is extended, bro? We're definitely overbought, and I've never seen the market run up this much in my life, and we are definitely going to have to give some of this back because what do I always say? For any type of trend to be sustainable, it has to have healthy pullbacks. Now, go to the daily chart on the SPY and show me where you're seeing a healthy pullback, except for today. There has been none. We've been gapping up, gapping up, gapping up. I mean, hopefully no one thought that we were just gonna keep ripping like that, bro. Because that I mean, that makes no sense. That shit's just fucking crazy, bro. And yeah, hope you caught that fade, dog. I made some videos with the trend line. You seen it, like, but off the open, look, actually went long. We faded. Look, off the open, we faded. I caught the scalp to the downside real quick, and then we bounced, and I went long. And then I went long, and then if you look at the spot before we actually started dumping super hard, we're putting in lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. You can just draw your trend line. You see it, and then eventually we hit that trend line, and look, it started going down decent. But now look at after hours trading, bro. Ripping to the outside, boy. Look at the SPY. The SPY back up at 682 in a quarter, bro. That's crazy, bro. See how they be playing games? That's what I said, bro. Grab the calls and go out a couple days. You feel me? Because we're definitely oversold now. So you know we're gonna trend up or after hours and pre-market or gap up or some shit. You feel me? I mean that's the only natural conclusion you can come to. You feel me? Yeah. I don't know. Well, I'm gonna go back and see if how this shit looked and if it worked and if I'm going here. Like if I go like this, can you see the chart or does it just go blank? Look at the SPY now. Like I said, dude, grab the calls, bro. What did I say? The 681s or some shit. I mean, you could have closed them out, especially on the Qs. I was like, grab the the 620, the 628s, but we were all the way down at 626. We popped all the way up to 628. We could have took profits there. Then we faded all the way back down. You could have grabbed, instant repeated, and grabbed like the 627s or the 626s and swung them. You feel me? And look, we're all the way back up at 629. That's why when we were fading like that, bro, like I was like dollar cost averaging into some shit. You feel me? Like I love when the market be selling off like this, bro. So that then you can get in. You can that's when the stocks go on sale, you feel me? For the long term. You know what I mean? So yeah. I don't know if that shit worked or not, or what platforms it went out to. I don't even know what's connected, bro. Twitch seems to be working. I don't know. Facebook, yeah, Facebook working. Is it a real, bro? Zoom? Tesla 1, 2, 3, my J. I don't fucking know if it's working, bro. Like I'm working on my phone. I'll just be trying shit. But I've been impressed. But yeah, man, don't say I ain't put you on, bro. Damn near every fucking thing that I said that was gonna happen, fucking happened. There's no denying it, man. Man, go fucking sign up to my shit, motherfucker. Go follow my shit. Drop some likes and shit on it. You know what I'm saying? If you wanna come to the promised land, bro. 'Cause I'm going regardless. Mm-hmm. I'm looking for something. Promised land, bro. Some legit shit, dog. Mm-hmm. I would tell you to go, bro. Look, I don't want to put it out there into the universe, shit, until it's manifested. You feel me? Motherfuckers be nosy anyway. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, bro. That's what got me fucked up last time, bro. Thinking I could trust people and me letting my guard all the way down. You feel me? But all it really did was teach me a lesson, man. Like shit that I've been through. But you know how it is. You feel me? Sometimes the Lord allows for shit like that to happen because He's trying to remove shit from around you that uh, is not supposed to receive the blessings that you're gonna receive. You feel me? So even at that time, it may hurt or whatever. I mean, it's all for the greater good. You feel me? Yeah, dog. So that's all that is. The Lord ain't, you know what I'm saying? It's hard to explain. You know, I'm not trying to get on no philosophical shit. But go back and look at my posts and please point out to me where I've been wrong at as far as calling out what the market's gonna do. You feel me? Well, I at least been on a 95% clip of being right, bro. And, the only way you can do that is if you don't get caught up in everyone else's bias. But anyways, hopefully someone listened to me just now and caught that right there, dog. We could have bought like 3 contracts, closed out 2 of them and left one on. Because we know we're going to trend up and gap up or some crazy shit overnight, dog. And be all the way back up at the pre-market high. You know what I'm saying? Like 635, 636 and shit like that on the twos. If not, we get that by the end of the day tomorrow, bro. But don't know. The only thing that has me second guessing that is the market's been going up way too fast, dog. Like I was looking at that shit like, yo, bro, like I don't know, bro. Like I hope people don't actually think the market's just gonna keep running up like that, bro. And I said it. You know. But anyways, this is why you employ a little risk management. You feel me? Um, you know, and I know my trading. You know how I know my trading has reached a new level because you know it's easy to win. Everyone knows how to win. Everyone knows how to take profits on a grain trade. That's easy. The hard part is knowing how to lose. You feel me? That's the hardest thing. It sounds counterintuitive, but you know what I'm saying? That's it. You know what I'm saying? Keeping your emotions out of it and shit, bro. Keeping your ego out of it. Not thinking that you're right all the time or that the market owes you something. You feel me? You gotta know how to lose. Knowing how to lose is 10 times as important as knowing how to win. Because everyone knows how to win. You know what I mean? Everyone knows how to take profits on a green trade. But not everyone knows how to cut their losses and cut them early and turn a red trade into a paper cut and not a fucking crippling loss or even blow up your account. You feel me? That's what I mean by know how to lose. But yeah, anyway, it's your boy Evis and Finance Solutions. I know I ain't been on like usual, bro. But trust me, when I do come back, bro, I'm coming back for good, bro. When we going to the promised land with this shit, bro. So just chill, baby. It's not that I'm delaying or none of that. I'm just making it to where niggas can't be stopped. That's all. It's called delayed gratification. You know what I mean? But anyway, holla at your boy. Peace.